Hi guys! Today, we will review the Konzert KX-250 Plus multimedia speaker. Let's see the feature and its quality compared to its price. Come and let us unbox it. The unit has built-in FM tuner with peak power of 2500 watts PMPO or peak music power output. A port for USB or SD card playback, with a 5.5 subwoofer, a microphone input and earphone output jack. Inside the box we have a set of remote controller together with its manual and a cable set for auxiliary connection purposes. This is the pair of left and right speaker with RCA plug as a connector. The exterior finish is quite nice with its wooden texture and a non-removable cloth type front cover as a front protection. Now for the main unit. It has analog type controls for volume, bass and treble. A jack for microphone input and a 3.5mm jack for earphone output. On the lower right, it has a port for USB and SD card. On the upper right side, there is a button for audio source selector for different audio sources. These are the auxiliary input, FM radio, and for a Bluetooth wireless connectivity. On the back rear portion of the unit, we have a non-removable AC cord for its power source, a black thin wire for FM radio antenna, a volume control for microphone and echo or reverberation effects, a port for auxiliary input and output for left and right speaker, and also a power button on the lower right side. A 5.5 subwoofer is mounted on the bottom part of the main unit. This configuration is responsible for delivery a deep and clean punch of bass content of the audio being played. The built-in FM radio station have a poor reception, and we didn't get any single station with a clear and strong signal. Hope that they can improve this issue. Now, let's check the Bluetooth connectivity function.
puso kong when you hold me in the street and you kiss me on the dance floor. I wish that we could be like that, but can we be like that? 'Cause I'ma see you out, tired some more. Stolen moments that will steal as the curtain falls. It'll never be enough.
Audio input mode.
Now, let's check the auxiliary connectivity function. Like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you very much and maraming salamat po.